bit about the troubleshooting and cleaning up of the original Clipper. So first off, if you're going ahead and you're extracting your floors and you realize there is no water or liquid coming out, you have these two jets right here. Go ahead, just a quarter of a twist counterclockwise, they come off, hit your water button. If water comes out, one of your jets might be plugged. If no water comes out, go ahead and call in a work order on that and they will come and check it out. Once you have finished cleaning your carpets, after every use or at the end of the day, you're going to want to come over to the side. This just pulls out of a little slot right here. It's just two little hinges. It just swings up in. And then over on this other side, you've got a little slot that it fits in. You're going to want to make sure there's hairs and all that wrap around this. You're going to want to make sure the hairs don't build up. That will cause the bearings to seize up on you. As you can tell, there's buildup of hair already on this. You just want to make sure you pull that off when you're doing your daily cleaning. Once you get that cleaned off, you're going to want to go ahead and take your hand, clean out any dirt or chemicals that might be up here, and then it is suggested and recommended that while this is still wet, you're going to want to clean off the shoe up here. You'll just get you a putty knife, put it in one end, and just take it all the way across and pull out any sludge that might be up in there. While you've got the brush off, a metal fork works really well. You want to go through, sometimes you will need a razor blade or a Leatherman to go ahead and get any fibers or material that might be stuck in the blade or the brushes. Just go ahead and, as long as you keep those clean and well functioning, you'll get better use out of your machine and the longevity. We do have the yellow bristles that are wear down bristles. As soon as the black bristles get the same height as the yellow ones, that does mean it's time to call in a work order and have this bristle replaced. To put it back on, if you'll notice, there's the two notches. You just make sure it gets lined up the same way again, and then this just pops up in the top. Now, as you get ready to store the machine until you use it the next time, you're going to want to make sure that the brushes are in the upright position and locked in. They do have a tendency to fall down. When you place the machine down, you're also going to come up to the side over here. There's a hose that will be hooked up. Just pull this clear hose off and drain any liquids or chemicals that may be in the tank. If you do have chemical in the tank, take a full bucket of water, a gray bucket of water, and place that in there to help push any chemical out.